welcome back. This is a follow-up video, one of many hopefully, about this amazing Flower Power iMac that I got a crazy deal on eBay recently. I had made a comment in the original video about how I thought I remembered it being brighter and that this wasn't very bright. I did have a chance to open this guy up very carefully with the age of it. It's almost 20 years old. It turns out that in 20 years there is a lot of dust and grime that gets inside and actually covers a bit of the translucent plastic. So it's maybe hard to tell in the video, but it is quite a bit brighter now, and I've had pretty good success cleaning off some of the smudge marks. I do need to find out more information about plastics cleaning and polishing because there are a few scuffs here and there that I'd like to get out if possible. But this guy now has a brand new CMOS or PRAM battery inside, and today we are going to be restoring it to factory defaults. While we are getting set up to restore this iMac, I thought I would share a little bit about my experience so far. One of the big selling points of the Flower Power and Blue Dalmatian iMacs was that they came with a built-in CDRW drive, which meant that on the cutting edge of technology then, you could mix CDs of your favorite music for your friends, you could back up your files onto a CD, and if you had the right kind of disk, rewrite and re-back up those files on that same CD. I remember how this was just the latest and most amazing technology back in the late 90s and early 2000s, and so I decided for fun to revisit that by burning a CD of my own with some apps and games that I would want to load on here. To my surprise, it was a terrible experience, but that's mainly because I've been spoiled by things like faster internet, fast USB thumb drives, and things like AirDrop between devices. So it was shocking about how I could barely sit during the time the CD was burning. My attention span apparently has gotten shorter in the last 20 years. Instant gratification is now, I guess, the name of the game. And there we have it. This iMac has now been restored and set up running macOS 10.4 Tiger. So it's time to get to work installing apps and games and customizing it. Off to new adventures. Until next time, cheers.